Hi and welcome to this video edition of the Redbox VIP weekly content, and today's subject is Google Analytics. So I'm going to try and get you through a very light sort of top level summary of Google Analytics in less than 10 minutes. So at the end of the email at the end of this video I'm going to tell you how to get access to Google Analytics if you don't have that. And the focus of this video is going to be around the acquisition and behaviour tabs of Google Analytics, because they're kind of the stuff that we really want to know. So when you log into Google Analytics, you get the kind of dashboard which you can customise. I'm not going to cover that now, but you can, if there's regular information that you want to know, like certain pages, how many people have visited certain pages, how many people have submitted your inquiry form, then you can set all that up. So very, very quickly, real time is as it sounds. It shows you in real time how many people are on your site and what they're currently doing. Audience tells you out of the people that are visiting your site what they do, who they are and where they're coming from. Acquisition is how people are getting to your site. Behaviour is what they're doing on the site, and conversions is things like when somebody submitted a form or placed an order, that counts as a conversion. So as I've said, we're going to focus on acquisition and behaviour for the purpose of this video, because that's where the juicy stuff is. So click on acquisitions, go to overview, and we set ourselves a time span. So I'm usually looking at the last 30 days, but you can go back, you can compare year on year. Or 7 days, you can even look at yesterday or today. So I've got this set to 30 days, and if I scroll down, you've got some lovely kind of graphs here. I like this display here, which is the kind of the table of data. So out of all the people that have visited our website, we can see that roughly 50% have come from organic search. So they have typed in something along the lines of web designers in Staffordshire or something like that, and they've arrived at our site through doing a search, whether that be Google, Bing, something like that. Direct traffic is people that have typed in the actual website address. So maybe they've got our business card, maybe they've been given a referral and have typed it into the address bar. So that's people that know what the website address is. Referral is a link referral from another website, excluding social media. So that might be a blog post on someone else's website that we've got. It could be a link to our website from the footer if we've put a little link saying website designed by, and that kind of accounts as a referral. And then the last one is social. So we can see that 41 out of 575 people who visited our website clicked a link via our social media. So that's kind of an overview of where people are coming from. I'm not going to go too much into detail in acquisition, because that kind of summary gives you a really good picture, but you can drill right down into sort of granular detail about that kind of stuff. So let's jump into behaviour. So behaviour is when you're doing an analysis of your website and deciding what you're going to improve, what you're going to work on, what content needs adding, do you need more call to actions, things like that. This helps you decide what the most important pages on your site to work on first. So if I go to overview, you can see a time scale, and so this is still set to 30 days. You can see kind of how the traffic fluctuates. So I'd imagine, that's a Sunday, so you can see there's a pattern to our traffic because we're business to business. Sundays tend to be a quiet day for our website traffic. We've got a list of our top 10 pages here. You can see that the home page, which is the little forward slash, is the most popular page, and this is the case for a lot of the websites that we do. Your home page tends to rank better, and it's the page that people will go to first if they've got your web address. So you can see that home page gets the most traffic, quite considerably. Second to that is our pricing page. then it's meet the team, and then one of our monthly packages, Redbox All In, and then our portfolio. And these are the pages that we've always kind of focused on, because we know they're what people are looking for when they're looking for a website. They want to know how much it costs, who's going to be making it, and they're going to want to see pages that we've done. Websites that we've already done. So that kind of gives you a very kind of top level overview. You can go down into a little bit more detail by going to site content. For example, we've got landing pages. So here you can see what page people are actually landing on. So if they've come from social media or done a Google search, and they haven't necessarily then always come to the home page, sometimes they land on other pages, and this kind of tells you the volume. So what you expect to see here, you can see down here we've got our blog, so we might have some links on social media that say have a look at our blog, so people are going straight to the blog and kind of skipping the main site. And you can see there's some other specific blog posts that maybe we've posted recently that people have visited. And these two here are recent posts that we've done, so you can see people who've actually gone and read that post. So that's all really useful. One of the best things about Google Analytics from kind of analysing your pages is the behaviour flow. So if we click on that, this gives a sort of flowchart representation of how people are using your site. So just scroll up slightly so you can see that of people that this is the starting page. So people are arriving at our site, most arrive on the home page here, and from those that arrive on the home page, a big chunk of them leave on the home page. So maybe they were just after our phone number, they've gone to the home page and got that. Maybe it wasn't for them, or they've got the wrong company, and so they just leave. So that counts as a drop off. But nearly half of them go to another page, and this little flowchart shows us which pages they go to, so we can see the most popular journey is arrive on the home page and go to our pricing page. So that kind of sort of screams out that the pricing page is kind of the second most important page on our website after the home page. So it's no good just having a boring list of prices on there. We need to make that visual. We need to have a really strong call to action on there. So if people have gone to the pricing page, what do we want to do? What do we want them to do next? We want them to get in touch. So also meet the team is not far behind there. So people are kind of interested in who the team is, who's going to be working on their website. And then you can kind of go down to the next level. So the people that have arrived on the home page, gone to the pricing page, you can kind of see where they're going next. So some are going back to the home page, some are viewing the team, and various things. So hopefully that kind of gives you an idea of how detailed, of what an overview of how people are using your site you can get by looking at Google Analytics, and you can make some real key decisions about looking at specific pages on your website and make sure they're fulfilling their purpose. And have a look, you might find some surprises on there, and pages that you've not really thought were that popular that you need to improve, add some more graphics, make them more visual, add a call to action on there. Or if you want somebody to have a look at a different page on your site, after that page, make sure at the bottom of that page there's a nice bold link that takes them, kind of guides them, suggests that this is what they should do after they've looked at that page. So we're approaching the 10-minute mark now, so I'm going to wrap this up. Hopefully that's given you enough of a sort of taster to want to get access and have a look in more detail. If you contact your web company, they should be able to give you access to this. All you'll need is a Google account, so either an old Gmail account that you've got, or any kind of Google account, email address. If you haven't got access to that, just set up a new Gmail account and then provide that email address to your web developer, and they will be able to add you to the Google Analytics as a user. If you're a client of ours, if you email that email address, that Google email address, to our support team, which is support@redboxweb.co.uk, and they'll be able to add you to your Google Analytics account. So that's it. If you come across this video and you aren't on our VIP content list and you'd like more, to subscribe to receive more of this type of content, so every week we publish either an email, a blog post, or a video content that is designed to help small businesses to get the most out of their website. We kind of cover topics such as search engine optimization, social media, email marketing, that kind of thing. Then you can join that list by going to redboxweb.co.uk/VIP. That's it for now. Have a great day, and I'll see you in a week's time.